Good morning and welcome back. So we are back to Delhi. Actually, we got back yesterday, but after all the daily travel, I got pretty exhausted, and that is why I couldn't vlog anything. So today we are off to exploring Delhi again. I'm not sure where we're going, but again, the motive is to try a lot of good food because, of course, food is priority. And along with that, we will visit the famous tourist spots here. So, see you. Let's go. Just entered Chandni Chowk and I will record as much as I can. No guarantees but on how much I can record, but I will still try my best because of course it's super crowded as you all can see. At the same time, I don't want my phone to be pickpocketed, of course. But yes, let's go explore. And now we are proceeding to see the monument and the museum inside. The ticket was like I think 55 or 60 rupees per person, which is okay. Oh sorry, it was 80 for museum plus monument, and it is 50 rupees for just the monument. So we're gonna see both. So it was around 85, which is pretty okay. But the only thing I saw is that for foreigners it was close to 500-600 rupees direct, and that I felt was a little unfair, but it's okay. I mean, no, it's not okay. Sorry, I got carried away. Anyways, so we've just stepped inside, and over here they have the system where you can directly pay to the ASI, which is the archaeological. So this place that you all see, this is where the presidents and prime ministers come to hoist the flag, and this is where Nehru was standing when he gave his speech. Nice, no? And this is the entry to the Red Fort, aka Lal Killa. Let's go. As you all saw, I was supposed to enter from the side, but as soon as I entered, I saw this architecture. Are you all seeing how it is perfectly made? All these things really, excite me, gets me really hooked. All this architecture and the beauty and how they did it back then. Let's look at all this. Very beautiful. I think this is what is called magnificent. This is another thing I noticed in Taj Mahal also. I've heard that from here you can't see outside, but once you step out, you'll see how the view is coming. This is another architecture marvel that I've seen. I've seen a lot of videos where people have posted this on reels and videos that when you enter from Taj Mahal, you can't really see it unless you pass through the gate that is there. Okay. That is the market you all see. Of course, now it's the modernized version, but that is where we just came from. Okay, let's go explore. Come, come, come. Every single pillar over here has a name written of all the people that fought for freedom. All these pillars. This is a museum over here.
The snippets I've included in this vlog are not even 10% of what the museum actually offers because it gives us a glimpse and an essence of the freedom fighting, the people involved, the stories. In fact, the evidence is from the past, like the letters exchanged, orders given for deportation, execution, and whatnot. In fact, they've also preserved the things that were used to torture the prisoners back in the day. And I noticed that a lot of people just come to the Red Fort to see the monument and go. But this museum actually gives us a lot, and I would say it is a must visit.
This is one thing I want to mention about. So, what I understood is that I actually didn't understand what this was first. Later, I got to know that apparently, if they when the people that were jailed protested, if they denied drinking water or something like that, what the Britishers did that they would put this down their stomach and then they would pour water through that so that they don't stay dehydrated and they don't die. God, what all there? We just finished seeing the museum over here at Red Fort, and my God, I mean, majority of are the stories that we read through our history textbooks and all that, but there are a lot of things we are not aware of that really, gets you interested. And that is the reason I didn't cover everything. Like, I covered whatever I could, but there are a lot of things that a lot of you have to really come here and read, and that is why I didn't cover majority of it. It wouldn't give the same impact as reading directly. So if you all get the chance, if you all come to Delhi ever, drop by here, just take a visit to the museum, just go through it. Very inspiring, very interesting, and very new actually. Nice, good to know. Good, it's a lot. I didn't expect to see something like this, but nice. Now we're gonna go ahead. We'll go see the part behind the Red Fort. Let's see what is there. That's where we're gonna go next. If I knew earlier that there's such pretty places, I would have worn like a nice traditional dress, and I would have taken like nice pictures. That's okay. At least I'll get to enjoy the beauty of the place. And it is, I think there is some, randomly they just started playing music. I have no idea about it. Let's find out. It's a Swagat song. I think they got to know I'm coming here. Anyways, so that is like a Swagat song that they're playing. I really don't know why, because earlier when I came it wasn't there, and then now when I just came from the museum and I'm going here, now suddenly they've started playing it. So of course by default anyone would think they're playing for me. Sorry guys, not for me. Sorry. Got done with exploring Red Fort, and I think a lot of people don't know that there's more inside. They just come and see the monument from outside and go. But it was very nice. It was actually very nice. Like, the people mostly just come outside, take a picture with the Red Fort, and then they go. I didn't know there was more inside. I didn't know there was so much more inside. And we saw everything. It was really pretty. The beauty, the intrinsic beauty, the detailing, everything was so pretty. Anyways, now we are done with Red Fort. We are gonna maybe eat something and then we will head to our next destination. Let's go. So this that you all see is where the president and prime minister hoist the flag, both in that pole. And this is also where Nehru had given his Independence Day speech. This is the entrance from back. And then the opposite side of this is the front of Red Fort. Almost 5 and the gates are gonna close soon.